We've got wood, we've got bricks, we've got cans, we've got buckets, and we've got a microwave. And they're all getting smashed by the runaway bowling ball that's running away from you right now. Okay, that's probably what you clicked for, so let's get on to it. So at the moment we're going to get this piece of wood ready, and then we'll head up top and get it done. Drop stuff on it. Alright, that might work. There we go. Heading up top to start dropping stuff, and here we go. Oh yeah, and I think I forgot to mention that we're dropping it from 15 feet off our back deck. And there's the target, and that right there is our cameraman. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, Phoenix, when? Here we go. Yes! Woohoo! That's great. That was a good shot. Alright, so we're heading down to look at the damage. That looked pretty good. Alrighty, here we are. Got this piece right here flew all the way from where it was over here.
And then this flew right here.
Yeah, and that flew right over to there. How's our cameraman?
Alive.
Well, that's good. We're lining our bricks up for a good drop. By the way, we've got very minimal damage on the old bowling ball, so that's good. Alright, so almost ready for our second drop. Let me get the bowling ball where it needs to be out here. When? Yes! That was beautiful. Oh, that's great. Running back down to assess the damage. That was great. So here we are. Good grief.
Sorry.
It blew the whole thing apart. Man.
This one about hit Phoenix.
Yeah, our cameraman's still alive. What do you have to say, Freeman?
I think that he's still alive because if he wasn't, then I'd have to be a cameraman, and I don't want to be.
Yeah, okay, that's good words of wisdom. Let's look at the bowling ball. Oh, you can see where it hit right here. Right there, that's where it hit. It's not too bad though. Okay, so we've got 5 cans spread out here, and for every can you smash or knock over from the top, you get $5.
Words of wisdom are, I hope that cameraman survives.
Yeah, that's good words of wisdom. You got 1 shot to make this. All right, we're ready for the rolling. Don't throw it.
I knocked one!
Yes, you did.
Oh, you know what? That's technically 2 because the other one blasted off.
All right, so we just lost, or I just lost $10. That's unfortunate. And I've got 4 more tries to go, so this is bad. There was no cans actually smashed. This one went flying off, and that one got a little dented, but other than that, they're all intact in one piece, so that's good. All right, Finley, what do you think your chances on hitting it is?
0.5%.
0.5%. Okay. Get ready to drop it. Remember, don't throw it, or we might have a smashed cameraman. Go ahead. Oh man, I lost another $10. How's our cameraman doing? Is he still alive?
Yeah, no, I'm dead.
He's dead. Oh no. I think I'm in a real pickle here. What do you say, Finley?
I would say you're in a cucumber.
Cucumber. Why am I in a cucumber?
I don't know.
Me neither.
Well, why would you be in a pickle?
Because I've lost $20 so far.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah. That's really bad.
Not for us.
Yeah, well, it's bad for me. Yeah, you get to drop it. We'll have to find somebody to be a cameraman.
No.
What do you say, Flinton?
Thanks for letting me drive the car over here.
Oh, well, you're thanking. You're welcome. Alrighty. So, Phoenix, we're gonna drop it in 3, 2, 1.
Blast off!
Oh no! Everything's moving down here. Got the cameraman changing. We got the bad video alert. Oh, by the way, subscribe! I know this isn't the end of the video, but I figured I might as well say that now anyway, so. Oh, and like, and if you have it in your heart, share it too, because we'll hope other people enjoy watching this. No worries, I will be reminding you to subscribe at the end of the video, because I'm annoying like that, so you better subscribe. Phoenix, what are your words of wisdom?
I don't have any.
You don't have any, but all the other contestants had a word of wisdom. We'll just knock them all over. Sorry, I'm not that rich. Alright, Phoenix, here we go. Freeman, start rolling. Phoenix, ready, set, drop. Oh, $10 for you too, man. I am a poor man. Poor man, I'm a poor man. Well, we've got more interesting things to be doing as far as smashing stuff, so let's go. You're probably wondering, why did we get so many cans to do this? Because we're gonna make a can tower and smash it. Here we go. And here's the can tower. Roll the dramatic music. Okay, no more dramatic music. Here we go. And while we're heading back up top, I'd like to tell you about our sponsor, which is no sponsor because we don't have a sponsor. So if you'd like to sponsor us, go right ahead. That was supposed to be funny. You're supposed to be laughing right now, so laugh. So here's our can tower, and we're getting ready to smash it. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah! Oh man, that was awesome. Woo!
For everyone.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Our cameraman is still alive.
Phoenix just about got killed. Finley, what do you think about that incredible explosion?
It was an explosion.
I think we got a crazy guy in the background. I'm not sure who he is. Maybe he's a crazy fan, or maybe he's my brother.
The water would be better. Why I'm so stupid is because I came from Mars.
So next up is the bucket. So yeah, that's what we're smashing next. Farewell, bucket. We have a runaway bowling ball. All right, so Black Beauty, do not fail me now. Yeah, that was great. We've decided we're gonna let the bowling ball smash the face of the microwave. So long, microwave.
You served this crowd.
Cue the intense music. No. Cue the sad music. Alrighty, here we are. We're in place. I'm not in place. It's in place. So, all right, here we go. This is the moment you all have been waiting for. This is probably why you clicked on the video, because of the great thumbnail or whatever you were interested in. Anyways, thanks for watching almost all the way to the end. And here we go. What? What do they make these things out of? Like, good grief. Okay, we're gonna have a second try on this one. I wasn't talking about that. No! Oh, okay. Okay, try and slam it through. Let's just see if Mr. Phoenix can do it. Come on! Better than that, man! Okay, bring it back up here so I can smash it. Alrighty, here we go. Phoenix, roll the footage.
Go now!
Yeah. Woo-hoo! Yeah, that was great.
You said that.
Well, it was close enough.
Tip it to where we can see it.
As I said I would earlier, I will ask you to subscribe. Subscribe. Bye.